And this is how we do it. This is how we restore the masculine-feminine balance that has been removed over the last millennia. Men empowering women and women empowering men, coming to the least biased solutions to problems in our society and world at large. Really getting back to the systems that we need to create inspirational, meaningful, purposeful living. And create a system that we can actually see and contribute to and feel good about doing so. This is why checking in daily is so important, because it will change the way that we love one another, literally. So we can check in on those who don't check in out of love so they don't hurt themselves, but more importantly, don't hurt others. This is where using this technology different is super important. And this is where taking care of yourself and loving yourself on a daily basis is super important as well. Because if you don't first take care of yourself, you cannot take care of others. This is where finding things like flossing and brushing your teeth, your oral health, eating a healthy, balanced diet, moving your body on a regular basis. I want to say a minimum of 3 to 5 days a week, and drinking water. Water is the best way to wake the body up in the morning, and it is the best way to keep the organs functioning properly. Also helps to cleanse them of toxins. 1 to 2 cups within half an hour of waking up will have the same effect on your adrenal glands as 4 cups of coffee. Bottoms up. I'm gonna floss and brush my teeth and then get to my sun salutation video. Bye for now.